Ilang Starstruck trophies na rin ang naiuwi ng ating next performer. Pero ano pa ba ang kayang ipakita ni Rocco Nasino?
May ilalabas pa ba ang tinaguriang Golden Boy ng Starstruck 5?
Si Rocco po, last week, acting-wise, nakita ko nagkakaproblema siya. This week, nakita ko bumabawi na si Rocco. Tingin ko naman, hindi ko alam kung nagiging kampante siya, pero minsan nawawalan lang siya ng focus.
Si Rocco is, for me, I think he's good singing, acting, dancing. Just, I think maybe he makes sure that, kasi maraming awards siya, so make sure he doesn't get a big head, malaki ulo. So, kasi if, kung meron yung mga awards, sigurado you have like confidence, maybe sometimes overconfidence.
With Rocco, like, sobrang talented niya. He won all the awards, and I'm proud of him, and he's good. But I just think maybe, like, I hope people won't think that that's all he can offer. Just that, like, hindi siya pwede mag-excel. Pero I think in the long run, if he sticks to what he's doing, sobrang mag-excel siya sa career niya. So, yeah.
If you want it, then you got it. If you taught it, it better be what you want. If you feel it, it must be real. Just say the word and I'ma give you what you want. Time is waiting. We only got 4 minutes to save the world. Grab a boy and grab a girl. We only got 4 minutes to save the world. We only got 4 minutes, 4 minutes. If you want it, then you got it. If you taught it, it better be what you want. If you feel it, it must be real. Just say the word and I'ma give you what you want. Time is waiting. We only got 4 minutes to save the world. Grab a boy and grab a girl. We only got 4 minutes to save the world. We only got 4 minutes, 4 minutes.
Nako, kumanta na, sumayaw pa, nag-drums pa. Ano masasabi mo doon, Dennis?
Ibang
diba?
klase, talented talaga.
Oo, talented talaga. Let's ask our council members kung pasado ba sa kanila ang ginawa ni Rocco. Let's start with Direk Floy.
How would you describe this performance? Vintage Rocco. Everything's perfect, plakado, swabe siya, magaling siya project, magaling, blah, 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 blah. But to the point, Rocco, I'm sorry, Rocco, fatigue na ako. I found it, I'm fatigued na ako, over-fatigued na ako sa'yo. I'm getting a bit boring for me. I'm not seeing anything new. You're sticking to the formula. Wala. Rocco fatigue, if you know what I mean. Nafa-fatigue na ako sa'yo.
Alright, na-overfatigue daw si Direk Floy. Ngayon, tanongin naman natin si Manay Lolit. Anong masasabi niyo sa performance ni Rocco?
Parang kay Rocco, basta siya yung parang gustong mag-please. Parang gagawin niya lahat para ma-please ka. Kaya parang hindi natural. Yun lang ang parang napipili ko sa kanya.
Thank you, Manay Lolit. Miss Iza, what can you say sa performance ni Rocco? Pang final judgment na ba?
Lagi na lang akong pang final judgment na ba siya? Siguro, alam mo, sa final judgment, I would love to see Rocco perform something else. Maybe that's what they're trying to say. But, I enjoyed the number, nonetheless. Yeah, it was still a performance, a pretty good performance. But I know what Direk Floy and Manay Lolit are trying to say. Next time, Rocco, give us something new. Kasi nakita na namin yan noon. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Miss Iza. Every week, laging nagdedelikado ang ating next performer. Minsan pa siyang makasama sa bottom group. Nako, out na siya.
Will this performance save Ian Batherson from being eliminated tonight? Tingnan nga natin.
Kay Ian,